now. Viewers, in the midst of Karnataka power tussle, a shocking remark has been made by the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge. When he was asked about the speculations on a CM change in Karnataka, the Congress president said that the High Command has the power to decide and that the matter is in the hands of the High Command. But one wonders, if the Congress national president is not the High Command, then who is? The BJP has slammed the Congress party, saying Kharge has revealed the worst-kept secret of the grand old party, that the post of the Congress chief exists only on paper and that it is one family which calls the shots when it comes to party affairs.
Say that is in the hands of High Command. Say that is in the hands of High Command. Nobody can say here what is going in the High Command. Nobody can say here what is going in the High Command. This is left to the High Command. High Command has got power to take further action.
Sir, Kharge साहब ने कहा है कि CM High Command will take decision about changing CM.
I don't want to comment about anything about the High Command.
आखिरकार सच जुबान पर आ ही गया। जो वर्स्ट केप्ट सीक्रेट है कि कांग्रेस में अध्यक्ष की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, प्रथम परिवार की ही वैल्यू है, वो खड़गे जी ने खुद बयान कर दिया। उन्होंने कहा कि कर्नाटका का सीएम कौन होगा, क्या चेंज होगा, ये हाई कमांड तय करेगा। मतलब वो खुद हाई कमांड नहीं है और असली पावर सेंटर तो परिवार ही है। ये पारिवारिक पार्टी, फैमिली रन इंस्टीट्यूशन है।
Now, as Kissa Kursi Ka plays out in Karnataka, the party's state in charge, Randeep Singh Surjewala, was deputed to Bengaluru to broker peace between Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and his deputy DK Shivkumar. In a bid to portray everything is fine, the Chief Minister and DKS put up a show of unity, at least for the cameras. The Chief Minister went to great lengths to say that all is well, even holding DK Shivkumar's hand to show that they were together. This orchestrated show of unity came after a Congress MLA made the claim that there could be a change in the CM chair and that DK Shivkumar could become the Chief Minister within the next 3 months.
ಇದು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದ ತೀರ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ, ನಂಬಿಕೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗಬಹುದಾ ಸರ್?
ಹೌದು, ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ.
So, Iqbal Hussain of the Congress party going on to say that there will be a change in Chief Minister in the next 2 to 3 months. He said that DK Shivkumar will be the Chief Minister. But the question is, when asked about it, why did Mallikarjun Kharge say that the High Command will decide? My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, this is an attack that the BJP has often launched on the Congress party, that Mallikarjun Kharge may be president of the party on paper, but in real it is the Parivar that has the command over what will happen in the Congress party. Take us through why Mallikarjun Kharge made that statement, and has there been any clarification from the Congress party on the same?
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, the BJP time and again has been highlighting that Mallikarjun Kharge is another accidental president of the Congress party. Now the BJP says that the Congress president is like a ghost, never seen, but always the presence of the president has been felt. Now the statement that has come in from the Congress president Mallikarjun Kharge, that it is in the hands of the party high command. Now this clearly shows that what is exactly going on within the Congress party, where time and again the BJP has been alleging that the Congress party and within the Congress party everything is being decided by the Gandhi family and none other. So clearly this shows that despite him being the president of the Congress party and him making the statement that the party high command will decide. Now on the other hand, we are seeing that in the state of Karnataka, Mr. Randeep Surjewala had rushed to Karnataka to hold a meeting with around 100 MLAs. Though on one hand, Randeep Surjewala had said that it is all imagination, all is well within the Congress party. Okay. But the statement continuously coming in from the loyalist of DK Shivkumar shows a very different picture, stating that all is not well within the Congress party in the state of Karnataka. In fact, some of the leaders, have also given a date stating that in the month of September, there's going to be a change in the party in the state of Karnataka, and DK Shivkumar could be the next CM of the Congress party. But clearly a lot of question arises, and the BJP is continuously attacking the Congress party over the statement that has come in from Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge.
Okay, all right. BJP says that if Mallikarjun Kharge himself is saying that he is not the High Command, then who is? And is this admission by the Congress party very clearly that the power actually lies only with the Gandhi family and not even with the president of the party? Sabyasachi, stay with us. Let's also get in a word from our colleague Neha Hebbale, who's joining us on the broadcast with the details of what's happening in Karnataka. So there are two aspects of it. One, Mallikarjun saying quite clearly that it is the High Command who will decide, making it clear that the decision is not up to him and he is not the High Command in the party. But on the other hand, Neha, many also raise these questions. The fact that Mallikarjun Kharge didn't come on record and say, no, there will be no change in the Chief Minister. Is that an indication that there could be a political change in Karnataka?
Well, Pratibha, of course, the speculations here continue in the state of Karnataka, as nobody really, of course, from the Congress party here taking responsibility, saying that they are the High Command and that this is the decision or this is what they planned. As far as, of course, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge there is concerned, he has said that the High Command would decide. Being the party president, of course, he himself isn't in a position to provide clarity. It continues the speculations around this. The reason we say this is because several MLAs today, in fact, within the Congress party, we've seen, have, of course, gone on to make statements now that suggest that there could be a leadership change. Whether this is Congress MLA Iqbal, of course, there who's supporter of DK Shivakumar, whether this is K.N. Rajan are there, or a host of other leaders. Of course, Randeep Singh Surjewala, the Congress, senior Congress leader in the state of Karnataka, in Bengaluru, holding a host of meetings with MLAs right now. How he reacts to all of these developments is something that time would tell.
Okay, all right. Neha and Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us with those details. But clearly indications that all is not well. Randeep Surjewala has been deputed to Karnataka to hold meetings with the MLAs. We're keeping a track of that. With that, let's shift to retention.